In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear upper control arm on your Honda Civic. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Honda Civic safely. Now you need to support the upper control arm with a jack to make it easier to remove the upper wheel knuckle retaining bolt. Brush and spray the nut with penetrating oil to facilitate unscrewing, which may be difficult. Using a ratchet and a 14mm socket, unscrew the upper wheel knuckle retaining bolt. Once unscrewed, you can use a pin punch to remove the bolt. Then remove the bolt. Brush the two upper control arm retaining bolts and spray them with penetrating oil. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a ratchet, a large extender, and a 14mm socket, unscrew the first retaining bolt. Use the same tools to loosen the second retaining bolt. Hold the upper control arm with one hand and finish unscrewing the last retaining bolt with the other. You can now remove the upper control arm. Brush and grease the control arm area to facilitate its installation. You can order the rear upper control arms used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the control arm. Then insert it from its upper part. Screw the two upper retaining bolts back on. Next, use the jack to lift the lower control arm in order to install the retaining bolt in the wheel knuckle. Use a plastic mallet to fit it in place. Then, screw the bolt back on until they make contact using a ratchet and a 14mm socket. To avoid damaging the bushings, tighten the upper arm control bolts in the vehicle on the ground position. Finish tightening the 3 bolts with the torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.